Today we're going to be reviewing an airgap crypto call wallet with starter kit. Here's what's in the box. You got an X card teaching you what to do. Manual telling you how to use the kit to set up your card, what the buttons do. This is a little notebook so you can put your seed phrase here, have it secure. It brings a X card. This is the one that you're gonna do your call wallet. Everything's gonna be there, all your coins, NFT, and then you get a kit to program it. This is what you use to program your cards, X Duo card. So with that, you basically take this card with the chip, you insert it here, go through the steps, create a call wallet, and then you download the app on your phone, and then with the NFC of the phone, it reads the card, and then you can store all your coins and everything else here, and it's secure. You'll have it with you. You can get backups. You have to buy the backups. They were nice enough to send me 2 more, so you'll have to buy, if you want to have more backups of this card, you'll have to buy them. And this is how they look like. These are 2 more cards like this one. So if when I do mine, then I'll have this backup, and then this card and 2 more backups for my my coins. So you know, you have to purchase the backup cards. This doesn't come with the kit. It's very easy. I did it already. You press the red button and you keep it hold, and the message comes up. Once you can create a wallet, you can recover and options. And then to move down, it's here. Down, the option, hit the square, and then you can do passphrase, and then you can create passphrase for your card. But let me go back. So when you get it, the card, you go create wallet, you insert your card there on the top. There's a slot there. You insert the card, and then you hit the square button right here, and then the seed phrase option is 12, 18, and 24. So I picked up 12, and then you hit OK, and now you have to do 12 numbers. So you up to 12 numbers, well, up to 16 numbers, sorry. You can do up to 16 numbers, and then once you do that, they will ask you to do it again. And once you do it again, it will give you the paraphrase, and then you have to write them down in your little book bag, in your little piece of paper, because it will ask you random numbers. In number 1, what's the word, and it give you some options. You have to pick the right one. Number 8, what was the word? Number 4, what was the word? So you have to pick the right word. If not, then it won't let you create it. Once you do that, then it creates your call wallet. And then once you do that, then you download the app in the App Store. Once you do that, once you create it, all you have to do is tap your card in the back of the phone, or whatever the NFC sensor is, and it will read your card, which that's pretty cool. It's secure here. Nobody has your phrases. Nobody has your numbers. Only you know it. You're not paying anybody to hold it for you. It's all here. So that's very convenient. You can put your NFTs here. You can put all your tokens in the cold wallet. You can back it up to 10 times with 10 different cards. The setup is easy. It'll take like 3 minutes. Once you set it up, you can just take your card, put it on your NFC, and it'll pop up. Then you hit, and then it just shows your coins, your tokens, your NFTs in your app. Completely offline. They're in your hands. Nobody has them. you have all the control in your hands. So you just have to save the card, be careful with it, and you'll be all good. So if you're looking for a very easy way to create a cold wallet to have all your coins and in your property, nobody has them but you. You have your phrase, your numbers. Only you can change them and know them. You can back it up as many times you want by buying the extra cards. These are the ones. The price is amazing. The setup is super fast. So I definitely recommend it. So I hope this video helped you make your decision, and thank you for watching.